Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to restart your Garmin Fenix 7. Sometimes, your watch might act a little sluggish or encounter minor software hiccups. A quick soft reset is often all it takes to get things running smoothly again. This simple procedure won't delete any of your precious activity data, custom settings, or downloaded music, so you can perform it with complete confidence. It's a great first step for troubleshooting. To perform a soft reset, locate the light button on the top left side of your Garmin Fenix 7. Press and hold this button firmly. Keep holding it down for about 15 seconds. You'll notice the screen will eventually go completely blank. This signifies that your watch is now powering down. It's a straightforward process that takes just a few moments to complete. Once the screen is completely blank, you can release the light button. To power your Garmin Fenix 7 back on, simply press and hold the light button again, but this time for only about 1 second. You'll then see the familiar Garmin logo appear on the display, signifying that your watch is now booting up. It should be ready to use in just a few more moments. While a soft reset fixes most minor issues, sometimes a more drastic step is needed. A hard reset, also known as a factory reset, should only be considered for persistent problems that a soft reset couldn't resolve. Be aware that this will erase all your data, settings, and downloaded content. Always consult the official Garmin support website or your user manual for precise hard reset instructions before proceeding.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.